This short video is about credentialing and your contract with Humana's dental network. We want to help you keep your credentialing information up to date so you can focus on servicing your patients while your claims are processed as in-network. To comply with state and federal regulations, your completed credentialing application must be approved by Humana prior to the start of your initial contract. You will also need to re-credential at least every 36 months. You will be asked to provide any required updates and attest to the accuracy of your professional information. During this brief video, we want to provide tips for confirming and sharing your credentialing information with Humana. We know that you're likely contracted with many dental networks, each requiring credentialing. But we can simplify this process with CAQH ProView. CAQH ProView enables you to submit one standard credentialing application to a single source for all healthcare organizations you choose to partner with. Using CAQH ProView makes credentialing easier. If you enter all the required profile information in ProView and keep it updated, your credentialing will auto-renew. Humana's relationship with CAQH will accelerate your onboarding experience, reducing the time before you can begin scheduling patients. To get started, U.S. licensed dentists must first sign into ada.org/go digital. After signing in and accepting the terms and conditions, you'll be redirected to the CAQH ProView welcome page. Please enter all required information to ensure your profile is complete. Required info has a red asterisk. Attesting to your information is a critical step to finalizing your ProView profile. With this step, you will confirm that your credentialing application is complete and accurate. CAQH will send a reminder email every 90 days to request that you confirm and attest your profile information. Attesting to your ProView profile every 90 days reduces the time required of you during re-credentialing. It should lighten your administrative burden so that you can concentrate on what's important, your patients. It will also help Humana keep your directory information up to date so prospective patients can find you. You determine how you want your data shared. While setting up your profile, you will be given the option to indicate yes, release my data to any organization that requests access, or no, to grant access individually. We recommend selecting yes because it can save you time later while ensuring that Humana or any other organization requesting access to your information can get it quickly. Please note, if you select no, you will be required to check the organization's page periodically to ensure you've granted access to any organizations requesting your ProView data. Credentialing delays may occur if this step is not completed correctly or in a timely manner. If you have questions regarding the setup of your CAQH ProView profile, please call the CAQH Help Desk at 1-888-599-1771 or use the live chat icon at the top of each web page. You can also navigate to proview.caqh.org for a full list of reference materials available to dental providers. You can find out more helpful information about Humana's credentialing process by visiting our Join Our Network webpage or by emailing our credentialing team. And that's all for today about credentialing with Humana. If you have questions, please call Dental Provider Customer Service at 1-800-833-2223 and we'll be glad to answer your questions.